बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक ठाक हैं? मैं हूँ हीना जबीन, तो वेलकम करती हूँ आपको अपने चैनल पर। सबसे पहले तो आपका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ क्योंकि आपने अपना कीमती वक्त निकाला मेरे वीडियो को देखने के लिए। और दूसरी बात, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कर लीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन का बटन ऑन कर लीजिए।
Woman mauled to death in Surrey was attacked by multiple dogs and screamed, "Turn back," to passers-by, witness says. Surrey police detained a total of 8 dogs after the 28-year-old victim was killed at Gravelly Hill, Kitterham. An eyewitness says she was riding on horseback when she was the woman on the floor, being attacked by multiple dogs. A woman mauled to death at Surrey beauty spot was attacked by multiple dogs and screamed at passers-by to turn back, a witness has said. Paramedics were unable to save the 28-year-old victim after she was attacked at Gravelly Hill, Kitterham on Thursday. A second woman was received treatment for dog bites has since left hospital. An eyewitness said she was riding on horseback with her friend when they saw the woman who was killed on the floor being attacked by multiple dogs. Sue Dove said, "She screamed at us to turn back, and with that, 2 of the loose dogs ran towards us and the horses. My horse spun round and bolted and eventually fell." The witness says she had been left feeling lots of different emotions. She added, "Sadness that a woman has lost her life, but frustrated people are able to walk so many dogs." The lady was clearly out of control for whatever reason, had fallen to the ground being attacked. Because of those consequences and 2 of the dogs running towards us, my horse bolted and fell from my horse, landing on my right side, on my ribs and hips. Fortunately, my horse eventually stopped and my friend was able to get to him. Otherwise, as fight animals, this could have been another horrific accident if he kept going. Surrey police detained a total of 8 dogs and detectives are keeping their owners up to date with their investigation. No arrests have been made.
नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए मुझे अभी इजाज़त दीजिएगा। अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा। हमेशा खुश रहिएगा। बाय बाय।